Alright, let's take a look at the issue of print misalignment, the problem of print misalignment. For the Whitey TVO machine, there's a print misalignment issue. Let's do a test print now to take a look. Okay, let's check the print result. You can see that our print head moves horizontally like this. The print head moves this way because it's designed to move horizontally. So as you can see, the print is clear on this side, but in the horizontal direction, it's not clear on this side. In other words, there's a lack of clarity in the horizontal direction on this side, so we need to make some adjustments. This means our horizontal position is incorrect. It's misaligned with the other horizontal position. If the print isn't clear in the horizontal direction, we need to adjust a parameter related to the horizontal direction. Why is that? Because it's clear on this side in the horizontal direction, but not clear on the other side. So overall, the text printed in the horizontal direction is unclear and the characters are misaligned, so we need to adjust the settings in the software. Alright, let's click on the settings tool and go to the print head section. Set up the print head. Here there's an adjustment for the horizontal direction of the print head. Let's set it to 0. Click OK. Now let's print again and take a look. Let's print again and see. Looks very good, you see. Now it is very clear, indeed very clear. There's also a vertical offset. Let's check the print result. You see, only half of our information was printed, just half. That's because of the vertical offset. There's nothing else. Only half was printed. In this specific situation, we absolutely need to carefully adjust the vertical direction. Within the tool settings for the print head, precisely set the vertical direction to an exact 0. Alright, let's proceed to print again and observe the results. Now, as you can clearly see, absolutely nothing is missing. Previously, half was indeed missing. Earlier, you could distinctly observe that half was missing like this. Alright, now it's okay. The vertical direction is fine now, nothing is missing. It's very complete, very good. This is how you adjust the print offset. So we need to make adjustments. We need to check whether the issue is a horizontal emission or a vertical offset. Depending on the situation, we adjust different parameters.